bartender here at Red Square inside the Mandalay Bay on the famous Las Vegas Strip. Today we're going to learn how to build a Vodka Spritzer. Start off with building that in a pint glass. We fill that with ice. Today we're going to grab whatever vodka you like. Today we're going to be using Sobieski vodka. So that's a 2-ounce pour of vodka. We're going to take some lime juice, some fresh squeezed limes, get the juice out of that, 4 limes. Oops. Then we're going to use 2 ounces of club soda and 4 ounces of cranberry juice in that. And that's how you make a nice, refreshing vodka spritzer. Again, my name is Kerry Coleman. I'm at the Red Square here in Las Vegas. Stop by and see us.